In this video, I will guide you through creating a spellbinding witch mask step by step. From crafting patterns to assembling the mask, you will discover the magic of bringing your child's Halloween costume to life. Join me as we delve into the world of creativity and crafting, ensuring a spectacular and unforgettable Halloween experience for your little ones. Grab your supplies and let the crafting cauldron bubble with excitement. We will need felt, threads, scissors, vanishing markers, hot glue, elastic band, plastic cord lock, hole punch or needle. Prepare patterns to the title Witch Mask Part 1 and 2 and cut them out. Place these two patterns on right color of felt, outline with vanishing marker and cut them out. Take this paper pattern and cut holes for the eyes. Place this pattern on purple felt and outline shape with vanishing marker. And now cut holes for the eyes. Next, take this paper pattern and cut holes for the eyes just like before. Now put it on the green elements so that they are overlapped and draw the cut shapes with vanishing marker. And then cut them out just like before. Put the head on the purple felt in this place so that the lower edge is in the contact with the line drawn earlier, and sew it with green thread. The bottom thread is purple. Then place the hair on the witch's head so that it touches the top edge and sew it with purple thread. Prepare patterns to the title Witch Mask Part 3 and cut them out. Place them on right color of felt, outline with vanishing marker and cut them out. Put the head on the purple felt in this place so that the edges meet the line drawn earlier, and sew it with black thread. The bottom thread is purple. Place these elements in these places and sew them with orange thread. Place this element in the center of the yellow element and sew it with orange thread. Place it in this place and sew along the edge with yellow thread. Prepare patterns with the title Witch Mask Part 4 and cut them out. Place them on the right color of felt, outline with vanishing marker and cut them out. Take this paper pattern and cut out the inner shape. Place it on pink elements so that they are overlapped and draw the inner cut shape. Then cut out the smart shape. Place tongue on black element in this place and sew it with red thread. Next will be tooth, put it here and sew it with white thread. On the doll, place this element and sew only the inner edge with pink thread. Take this paper cutter again and cut out the shape for mouth. Place it on the purple felt so that it's contact with the line drawn earlier. And draw the shape of mouth with a disappearing marker. Then take mouth and place it on the marked shape. Sew along the edge with pink thread. The bottom thread is purple. Next, take a nose, place it in this place and sew it with green thread. There are still these elements to be sewn. Put them in these places. And sew it with orange thread. And now cut off excess thread along the edge in these places and here along the hair. Next, take this paper cutter again and make holes in the places of dots. You can use needle or hole punch. Now place it with the wrong side on the left side of the mask so that they are overlapped, and draw dots in the places of holes. Put the plastic cord lock on elastic band. Press here and place end of the elastic band to the first hole. And now to the second hole. Apply hot glue in the places of dots and attach ends of the elastic band. The witch mask is ready. Just put it on the face and adjust the size of the bag with the plastic cord lock. If you would like to make another Halloween mask, click on this video. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye bye!